After a video where she exposed her fox pass of wearing hair extensions to the dance class, actress Alaya F has shared another dance video where she describes as the cooler one. On June 30, Alaya on her verified Instagram account had shared a video in which we saw her hair extensions came off even as she was dancing. And I never wore extensions to dance class again. These reactions are priceless, Alaya had captioned that video. On Tuesday, she shared a video of the similar dance step, but this one sans hair extensions. You guys enjoyed the fail version where I got my extensions pulled out, so I thought it's high time I post the cooler one, she wrote. Alaya, daughter of actress Pooja Bedi, made her Bollywood debut earlier this year in the film Jawani Janeman. She has a 3-film deal with producer Jay Shivkramani. Actress Vaani Kapoor has started shooting for her upcoming film Bell Bottom, and she says she's just happy to resume work after a long break. I honestly am just happy with work resuming after a long break. One will of course have to be extra cautious and keep all preventive measures in mind, but it feels exciting to embark on a new journey, Vaani said. The film's lead star Akshay Kumar and the producers have taken the decision to start shooting the film, and apparently it will be filmed in Scotland. On working with Akshay for the first time, Vaani said, "Well, this is a great opportunity for me. I have a great respect for Akshay sir. It's super exciting and I'm really looking forward to the experience." The actress will be shooting for the first time in Scotland, and although not confirming the location of the shoot, Vaani says she's looking forward to making memories despite the pandemic. Actress Deepika Padukone has revealed her post-lockdown bucket list. Deepika treated her fans to an Ask Me Anything session on Instagram where a user asked, "What's on your post-lockdown bucket list?" "Visit my parents and sister in Bangalore," she replied. "From the characters you have played so far, which is your favorite?" a second person asked. Piku wrote Deepika along with a still from the film. "Does she have any weird talents? My husband or sister would be the best people to answer that. I'm sure they have quite a few to share," said the actress. "Your pet peeves?" asked someone. Deepika replied, "Dishonesty." The actress also revealed that she makes amazing tea when she was asked tea or coffee. "Both South Indian filter coffee and the chai I make," she replied. One dish Deepika could eat for the rest of her life: rasam with white rice and mango pickle. A user asked, "Your favorite food made by your mom?" "All of it. She's a fantastic cook," she replied. On choosing between mountains and beaches, the actress chose the latter. One user asked, "If you could say one thing to Ranveer using this platform right now, what would it be?" "You have snoozed about 35,000 times. Come on, breakfast is on the table." On the work front, Deepika has a role in the cricket drama 83, starring husband Ranveer Singh. She also stars in an untitled upcoming film with Ananya Pandey. Superstar Salman Khan on Tuesday paid respect to all farmers. On Instagram, Salman has posted a picture that shows him coated in mud. "Respect to all the farmers," he captioned the image. A day ago, Salman, who is currently spending time at his farm in Lonavala, had posted a picture to hail the efforts of farmers. "दाने दाने पर लिखा होता है खाने वाले का नाम, जय जवान जय किसान," he wrote alongside an image in which Salman is seen surrounded by greenery. On the film front, Salman will next be seen in Radhe. Late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput's rumored girlfriend, actress Rhea Chakrabarti, has alleged that she has received rape and murder threats on social media. Rhea shared a screenshot of message on her verified Instagram account on Thursday morning that reads, "I make sure you will be raped and murdered. You commit suicide, otherwise I will send people to kill you sooner or later. I was called a gold digger, I kept quiet. I was called a murderer, I kept quiet. I was slut-shamed, I kept quiet. But how does my silence gives you the right to tell me that you will get me raped and murdered if I don't commit suicide?" wrote Rhea, tagging the account from which she has received the threat. Do you realize the seriousness of what you have said? These are crimes, and by law, no one, I repeat, no one should be subjected to this kind of toxicity and harassment. I request Cybercrime Helpline to please take necessary action, wrote the actress seeking help from the police. Actress and social media sensation Ileana D'Cruz is missing her fun time in the swimming pool and having a sunbath. In a word, she is missing normalcy. On Wednesday, Ileana shared a few throwback poolside photographs on her verified Instagram account. Throwback to when pool days and getting gloriously toasted in the sun was no big deal, she wrote. On the work front, Ileana will next be seen in Ajay Devgan production The Big Bull, a film reportedly based on India's biggest security scam of 1992. The film also stars Abhishek Bachchan. Actress Pooja Hegde has crossed 11 million followers on Instagram. Pooja shared a photograph of herself enjoying workout at home, and ecstatic Pooja captioned the image. 11 million since this year has been about my legs. I decided it was apt to use them for my post. As usual, I will continue to spread positivity, love and entertain you all with my fun and silly post. Your love and unconditional support makes me dance, walk from strength to strength and love with my heart. Lots of love from Batta Bomba herself. On the work front, Pooja will be starring opposite superstar Salman Khan in the upcoming film Kabhi Eid Kabhi Diwali. The first look of Bobby Deol's starrer Class of '83 is finally out now. The film is made under Shah Rukh Khan's banner Red Chillies Entertainment. In the film, Bobby will play the role of an IPS officer. Bobby took to Instagram to share his look. He wrote, "Playing Dean Vijay Singh was an experience like never before. Class of '83 soon on Netflix." The film also stars Shreya Saran, Priyanshu Chatterjee, Amrita Puri, Pulkit Samrat and Anup Soni. Directed by Atul Sabharwal, the film will release on Netflix. Janhvi Kapoor's starrer Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, will premiere digitally on August 12. The actress confirmed the news on Instagram. Proud to bring to you the story of India's first woman Air Force officer to go to the war. A journey that I hope will inspire you the way that it has inspired me. Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, is landing on 12th of August, she wrote. The actress also shared a poster and stills of the film. Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, is inspired by the life of Indian Air Force combat pilot Gunjan Saxena and stars Janhvi Kapoor in the title role. Saxena entered the war zone during the 1999 Kargil War. Directed by Sharan Sharma, the film will release on Netflix. Sushant Singh Rajput's last film Dil Bechara second song Tare Gin is finally out now. The song showcases the sizzling chemistry between Sushant and Sanjana. Tare Gin song has been crooned by Mohit Chauhan and Shreya Ghoshal and lyrics has been penned by Amitabh Bhattacharya. The music of the film is composed by A.R. Rahman. Sharing the track on Instagram, Sanjana wrote, "Right in the middle of Kizzy's ordinary life, this night made her dance a little, live a little and love a lot. Come and walk with us into the absolutely magical night." Tare Gin song is out now. Dil Bechara is the official remake of 2014 Hollywood romantic drama The Fault in Our Stars, based on John Green's popular novel of the same name. The film gets a digital release on July 24th. Actor Rajkumar Rao and Fatima Sana Sheikh's starrer film Ludo will be released on Netflix. Rajkumar took to Instagram to share the news and also shared the first look from the film. He wrote, "Watch 4 players take fate into their hands in a high-stake game where nothing is a coincidence and everything is planned." In the film still, Rajkumar Rao can be seen sporting a different hairstyle as he walks with co-star Fatima Sana Sheikh, who can be seen holding a baby in her arms. Director Anurag Basu's film will star Abhishek Bachchan, Sania Malhotra and Fatima Sana Sheikh, along with Aditya Roy Kapoor, Pankaj Tripathi, Rohit Saraf and Asha Negi.